In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a high beam bulb on your Scion XB. This is going to be located under the hood. Let's get started. Go to your connector. We're going to press on the tab, pull straight back, and remove the connector off the high beam bulb. Twist the bulb and remove it out of the fixture. Install the bulb into place. We have to line it up so it sits flat, and then twist it and lock it down into place. This bulb can only go in one way. Install the connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.